Shakas, Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I am back today to share with you a collection that I have that I am trying to bust through. This is an old collection from the Stamps of Life. I don't know if I can tell when it is from. I know the name of the set. But, oh, maybe these. Yeah, April 2020, so during COVID. So yeah, this is the inspiration you get. This is the set that I got from the club kit. It is the mushrooms, and it's die cuts to cut them out. And then you also get the gnome set that comes with the shadow piece. That's the same as the mushrooms. That's what this is, the shadow piece. And then the stamp set. And let me just show you what the stamp set says. So you get the 3 gnomes and the 4 sentiments and this. And then I do have just a few more papers left in the paper pad. Like really just a few. That's it. 7 papers. And then, so that's all I have left. And these were the cards that I was able to make. I made 4 of these styles, and I used these dies came as one of the papers in the paper pack, and so you could use the dies to cut them out. I used an oval nesting die that I have in my stash, and I just ink blended some green and some blue. And I did that to each of the cards. I'm not sure if it's picking up on the camera, but I did also emboss the background base piece, and I embossed it with an Altenew, what is this one called? It is a 3D embossing folder by Altenew. Here we go. It's the deck planks. That's what it's called. Deck planks. And so they are all blank inside. And then I've added my signature on the back. So that's one. Here's another. Here's another. And here's the 4th one of that set. And if you stay tuned, I'll show you quickly how I assembled it together.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
So besides getting these 4 cards, you just saw how I made them. I also squeezed out another 4. And these are how they look. So I'm still using the same background, but I did use a tag nesting die that I have and cut this piece and then just layered with the gnomes and mushrooms from the paper pack. These are also what are they called? Some kind of raspberry jemmy or something like that. I don't know. But they're from old card kits as well. And so there's the next one here and here. So that's the other 4. So I got 8 total. And I've completed this card kit. I will be probably destashing this shortly, so stay tuned. If you are interested, let me know. I would sell it as a bundle and probably throw these papers in as well. But yeah, leave me a comment in the below if you are interested. But I hope you guys found this cards inspirational, or even the idea to, you know, use stuff in your stash and get it used so you can make room for new stuff. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.